Hi. Just had a really cool moment of realizing the benefits of self-application within accumulating myself within the quality equation. Let see if I can put it into words. And my granddaughter is Emmeline. She's 7 months old, and she was sitting in her little bouncy seat, and I was in the kitchen putting a new trash bag into the trash can, and she was playing with some toys right there in front of her, and I was looking at her as I took the big trash bag and kind of popped it. You know how you'll kind of pop it before you put it into the trash can? So the minute I made that noise to pop it like that, to just kind of straighten it out so I can put it in the can, the minute I made that noise, she had a reaction. Now she's 7 months old, and I've not seen her have any reactions, with exception of one, and that was the vacuum cleaner. But this one here in particular, I was actually watching her in the moment, and as I saw her reaction, you could see it build from within her, almost like a volcano about to erupt, and her little face became distorted and red, and she began to almost make the noise of a cry. And in that instantaneous moment, I just stopped, and I did not allow myself to react. I just breathed, and my eyes focused on hers, and her eyes focused on mine. And as we both were in that moment breathing, her complete beingness, her whole self reestablished itself here, and she, having no reaction from me, the whole reaction that was coming forth from within her just diffused itself, and the moment was very fast, and our eyes were meeting each other's at the same time, and it was as if she looked relieved that she didn't have to be afraid. And so it was what I realized within this was like the mind consciousness systems within us just trying to find an association by way of a reaction with another being to begin a relationship design within our minds that would validate reactions and feelings and emotions just as a form of validation. And so to be able to see myself have a moment like that with her, a relatively new life forming, and to be able to stop the participation in the accumulating effects of the mind consciousness system, to be able to stop that and instead accumulate ourselves within the equality equation, equal and one with all life here, in that moment of breath, was it was remarkable for me, and it's more validation for me within myself, according to allowing and showing myself and building self-trust within the principle of equality and the realization of baby steps to equality, accumulating myself within the equation of 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 moments, and within that assisting to bring forth a world that allows all life to be here and be able to live a dignified life with everything that life is required to exist here. It's moments like this that will lead us towards an equal money system and world equality, where we no longer exist based upon our actions, our reactions, and our emotions and our feelings, but we stand firm and we stand stable and we remain breathing for each other and accumulate ourselves together. 1 + 1 + 1 towards equality for all life here. Thanks.